Imagine a world ready for the future. A home fully automated, accessible, and connected to all forms of media, instantaneously at your fingertips. And though this may seem like the future, the reality is, it is here, it's now. Lights on. Welcome to the future of living, Angel.
Oh, thank you, Dave.
And you know what's great about this unit is that as you come in, you appreciate everything. As you get to the kitchen area, you don't have to lift a finger. The lights go on, and since I'm a little bit shy to welcome you, I will let the unit do it.
Interactive lock model unit.
Let's go to the living room, and as we go to the living room, the lights go on, and you can get a good view of everything. You look at the loft. There, the lights go on, and we can sit down. And what do? You can watch TV. TV on. There you go.
Wow.
And it's a media hub, so you can watch movies, you can watch television, you can even listen to music right there.
High seating. Where's that coming from? Okay.
And
Function, air conditioning. So everything from the lights to the AC to your music. What
Yeah.
else? What else is there for me to
well,
experience?
if you want mood lighting, well, I can easily do that for you, like this.
Where's that? Oh!
And we can even go dancing. Diba?
Dancing
And
in
yung
the-
music. Oh, in the dark, no.
No,
Maganda
no,
sa
no.
may disco lights, diba? And that's how we will be living in the future. And the future is right now. Let me show you the rest of the unit. Now, come on, let's go up.
Please. You can do all the talking. I can experience everything that you're
Okay.
telling me.
Making the future a reality. Imagine technologically smart and automated units with options for CCTV cameras, video phones to view who's right outside your door or even in the lobby, and even the capacity to control appliances from outside your home. Now, Angel, I hope you're ready to be even more impressed.
I am ready.
Here at my pad in Twin Oaks Place, using my home control app on my mobile device, I can control virtually everything in this room. For example, the living room air condition. I can set the temperature. I want it at 24 degrees.
Okay.
I press a button on the app and it registers 24 degrees. If I want the curtains right behind me to open,
I want to see that.
I press open and it's just the
How
button
convenient.
on the app. And I want it to stop at a certain space. It stops. Even control the lights. Dining light off. Living room window light off. Not just from where I'm seated, Angel. Because of the fiber to the home connection of Twin Oaks Place, I can control my entire pad virtually from anywhere. North America, Europe. As long as I have an internet connection, it can be controlled. Here,
Oh, you have CCTV.
CCTV camera is over there,
Alright.
and I can access it
So, for
through
example-
my browser.
For example, you have a party here.
You can have a party here, and you can be in Europe.
Monitor in-
You can be in Europe and see other people, so
okay.
that's
You have
really mind-blowing. It's absolutely future-ready, and Angel, what are you doing?
This
Angel,
is too cool for me not to play with.
Mommy,
Mommy?
Gabe, ano ka ba naman? Matagal mo na akong hindi nabibisita.
Where's your mom?
it can
Where is she
connect
in the world?
through video conferencing. She's in the States.
Panay
See?
na lang ang date mo eh.
Hindi ko to date. Wala, friends lang to.
Miss na miss ko na ang cute kong little boy. Alam mo naman, ikaw lang. Ang,
How does she know that we're here? You pressed it. I pressed it from here?
ikaw, kung sino ka man ka-date ng anak ko, alam mo, matakaw yung anak ko, dapat mas masarap kang magluto.
Hindi pa ako kasi kami kumakain, hindi pa niya ako nililibre. Pero maglinggo ako mag-order sa restaurant. So baka po yun pwede na.
Sige na nga! Ayaw mo akong talawin. Sige. Goodbye.
Bye, Mommy. Sorry.
Okay lang.
Soon, Twin Oaks Place will rise and mark the beginning of what will be Greenfield District, a mixed-use development of commercial establishments, offices, and residential high-rises. Lying at the heart of the metropolis is the center of Manila, Quezon City, Makati, and the Fort. Greenfield District will provide high-tech conveniences and natural open spaces and the convenience of interconnected buildings.
You know what, Gabe? When the district is complete, these bridges will be so convenient because they're going to be connected to each other.
And you know, with the restaurant and shopping places like the hub within the district, everything is literally just a few steps away.
So if you have a food or shopping craving, or you just want to relax and have a nice picnic probably at the park, the place to be.
Oh, you don't have to ride your car. It's right here.
So you can just keep walking.
Now, Angel, who would think that we're right at the corner of EDSA and Shaw Boulevard?
I know, Gabe. You know, we're in the heart of the metro. We're near Quezon City, we're near Makati, and we're near Manila. And look at all of this abundant open space and greenery.
You know, aside from the open space, I really like that this is the country's first smart, connected district. So whether you live here, whether you work here, whether you play here, Greenfield District is future ready.